Hi. First of all, I would like to give very big thank you for our judging panel because I believe they have awesome taste because they have selected the best insurance company Solarelle in Maldives. So that is one of the best decisions they have made. And also, so this year is very special for us because in Solarelle Maldives we are celebrating our 10th year anniversary. So winning this domestic general insurer of the Maldives award for the third time in a row is one of the the big achievement. And also we have proved the entire customer base and also our stakeholders and all the parties that we are the best company in Maldives while maintaining the consistency. So I would like to dedicate this award to all our Solarelle team members, and also very big thank you for trusting us, and also our valued policyholders and also all the customers. So we have kept that trust for the third time in a row, and also we have proved that we are the best company in Maldives. Thank you.
Yeah, if you really look at the Maldivian, the geography, so we are a country with 1,100 plus islands. So obviously the digital distribution channels and digital platforms are the key because that will enhance, that will help us to overcome our geographical barriers and to reach the customers with customer centric mindset. And also, when it comes to Maldives, so we should not forget. So if you talk about the Maldives, so we are with almost 98% literacy rate. So with that literacy rate and also the geographical spread, so digital, the platforms are key. Also that will help us to reduce the physical costs. So if you try to set up branches or any the physical platforms, so that cost is anyway it's not practical to go for all islands. So in that way basically the digital infrastructure and the platforms are key in Maldives to mainly for the distributions, and also serve the customers with fast claim settlements and things. Yeah. If we go back to past 2 to 3 years, so we have seen that so Maldives market introduced the many new methods and things almost in line with the global standards. So so we have introduced the actuarial based the pricing mechanism for the property insurance, and also with our regulatory initiative. I should not forget the Maldivian Monetary Authority. So they help us a lot to develop the market. With that initiative, actually we have introduced the IFRS 17. So that is also one of the the key thing. And also Solarelle is very special in that because we have all the privilege, and we got a privilege to be the number one and the pioneer of that by introducing the IFRS, the platform, as the first insurance company in Maldives. And also with these the initiatives and things we have seen for the past 2 to 3 years, lot of international reinsurance markets, specifically the rated reinsurance security. So they started think about Maldives, and they started the querying about Maldives, and so they shown the interest, and we have seen during past 2 to 3 years many A-rated markets, the reinsurance, they had a trust on Maldives, they keep putting the capacity. So that is kind of the positive outcome. From the Solarelle side, we are really happy because we started a lot of initiatives and implementation, and gradually those initiatives the help rest of the insurance companies also. As a market, I'm very happy basically. So those initiatives help as a country to come to the top and also to get the global attention. And also with this RBC platforms. So with the RBC platforms now, we can say that we are almost in line with the global standards. So with these standards so we can enhance the so we have seen the many developments during the past 2 to 3 years. So we believe in Solarelle. So investing IT is the future and it's not a waste. So investing IT means, so especially the country we are living with the 1,100 islands, so geographical stretch. So IT infrastructure development is key, and also basically what we are trying to do is basically we want reach to our customers with a speed, and also reach to them to deliver our services, and also the past claim settlements and all. So coming to the legacy system, so we have seen many the barriers and the challenges, and we thought it's better to revamp the whole thing, because our future growth strategies are with digital based selling, and also the service the factors. So that's the main reason we wanted to revamp the whole IT system, and also we consider the upcoming the trends and the risk factors in the markets like cyber risk and all. So we thought it's better to revamp just to enhance service, and also to maintain proper security measures and etc. And also we are moving into the the cloud-based system, because that's a trend. So considering these things, we thought it's important to revamp the whole IT system. So Solarelle, we started our operation in 2016. So this year anyway we are celebrating our 10th year anniversary. So that is so special for us, and also getting an award, and also the continuing the trend for the past 3 years. So this is our 3rd year we are winning the domestic general insurance in Maldives. So that is not an easy achievement. The biggest thing basically to maintain the consistency. So with this award, so we can show the entire market, and also the international community, our stakeholders, the customers, who we are, and we also can justify to them without the advertising or anything. So they are with the best company, because we have many companies in Maldives, but this award came to us through the internationally recognized evaluation process, and through an independent international party. So which means we can say they have the people who are choosing us, so they are taking the right decision, and also they are with the best company in Maldives. Thank you.